Statistics are the backbone of financial analysis, helping us turn raw data into actionable insights for our personal finances. At its core, statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data to make better decisions. Statisticians use probabilities to identify trends. For example, understanding the likelihood of a market event helps investors manage their risk tolerance. These 4 pillars allow you to evaluate performance, understand risk, and compare different investment opportunities with greater clarity. When looking at salary or home price data, the median is often more helpful than the mean because it isn't skewed by outliers. Visualizing returns through charts helps identify patterns, but always remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Just because 2 things happen at the same time, it does not mean one caused the other. Avoid making assumptions based on coincidences. Understanding basic statistics empowers you to navigate the financial world with confidence. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your money.